My name is Alex Salter, and this is my critical reflection on an EdTPA video that takes place in a 7th grade ELA classroom.
All right, go ahead and get to work. I'll start my timer right now. Joseph, I'd like you to look through that chapter. Chapter 3, okay? Yeah, chapter 3, and you're going to see a very important quote there about halfway in. When you guys find it, talk to each other about it.
Okay, so in this little clip, you can see that the camera angle moves with the teacher, and it focuses on the students and on the teacher, which gives the viewers a nice perspective of what is going on in the classroom. Also, you can see how the teacher effectively engages and collaborates with the students. As you can see in this clip, there's a little bit of difficulty that the students are having locating specific quotes, and what is shown here is that she points out to them where to find it.
I'd like you to draw your poster based off of that theme, okay?
Miss, we could use it like this. Or like
Of course, any direction does not matter to me.
You can see that the subtitles in the bottom of the screen can help the viewers to understand what the teacher and the students are saying, although not every student response or answer is shown in the subtitles, which makes it a little harder to understand what they're saying. So right before this, I could not really understand clearly what the student asked the teacher because there was no subtitle to go along with it. But as the camera follows the students, the audio is pretty clear, and the teacher is wearing a pack to help the audio be even clearer for her.
Yeah, use the novels if you need them for quotes. All right, sir, since you got this done, let's work on the final copy of it now, okay? You don't need to add more detail. I think that looks good enough to work with.
what chapter did we say this is?
Very good. Excellent. So whenever you go over this, make sure it's bold with your crayons, okay? Good job. Luis, do you have your rough draft ready?
Yeah.
Okay, basically, good job.
Yeah.
You got your bare bones ready to rock and roll. Excellent.
You can see that the teacher walks around the room and tries to engage with every student. However, there are still some students that are not engaging.
Full art supplies at this table. Love it. Did you find what happened? What's going on?
So here the teacher is asking the students what's happening in the novel, which allows the students to construct their own meaning.
Couldn't catch any founders.
Good. And what did Trier fail to do?
He failed to bring him food.
Failed to bring him food. Do you remember when he didn't bring Crayman food? Maria, how did he feel about that?
So here the teacher is promoting thinking and developing the students' abilities to construct their own meaning. The teacher asked Maria how did he feel about that, specifically referring to a character in the novel, which allows Maria to answer the question and construct her own response.
Guilty and sad.
Guilty, sad. So what did he decide to do then?
To go bring him half a bowl.
Exactly. So he learned to share with others, okay? Being generous towards others. That should be your theme, okay? So go ahead and write down on your piece of paper here.
So the teacher is very engaged with her students, and they have to construct their own meaning and develop their own idea about a theme from the novel, and then depict that theme in a drawing. And she is using their prior knowledge and personal knowledge through their reading to develop their new ideas on their paper and through their drawings and interpretations.
You know, something about showing generosity towards others, okay? Sharing with others. That will be the main title of your poster.
This group tends to struggle more than others, and so the teacher supports their learning because they tend to run into more challenges than the other groups, which I think is due to the fact that one of the students was absent the prior day, which is mentioned in the beginning of the video, but it is not shown in this clip.
Sharing with others. Exactly. That sounds like a good title. All right, sweetie. So what did we find from chapter 3? Let's see. because I'm going to have you focus on that theme, okay? Skim this page and see what lesson Trier learned in this page. Right when you start skimming it, you should see right away, remember this scene, okay?
Yeah.
There you go, hon.
So the students are very engaged with the teacher, along with they're very engaged with their peers, which exhibits collaborative learning. So this video overall was very effective due to the subtitles, the camera angle, the movement, the following of the teacher, and the student's engagement with the teacher and the teacher engagement with her student.